Hello and welcome back to CodeFloat. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can extract RAR files in Windows 10. So we have one RAR file here. And in Properties, we can clearly see that its file type is RAR. To open this type of file, we need a software named WinRAR. So first, open Google Chrome. And here search for WinRAR. Go through its official link. From here you can download the program. Finally click on Download WinRAR. After download is completed, open it to install. And click on Install. After installation is completed, make sure you have select RAR file type. And finally click on OK. Now you can see, the file icon is changed. So to open this file, right-click on File, and click on Extract here, or click on Extract to any folder. After extraction is completed, you can see the folder is created in same location. And now, you can open and use that folder in Files. Hope you solved your problem. If you have any difficulties on WinRAR, then comment below. Also please like, share, and subscribe the channel for more interesting videos.